In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to manage all your marketing and analytics tags without having to mess with the underlying code directly. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. It's important to note that you'll need administrator access to make these changes, so make sure you have the right permissions before proceeding any further. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard listing all the websites you manage under this account. Now that you're in, the next step is to choose the specific Wix website you wish to connect Google Tag Manager to. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to ensure you're working on the correct one. Once you've selected the website, click to enter its dedicated dashboard. Here you have access to various settings and customization options to manage your site effectively. Within this dashboard, you should navigate to the settings section. Look for the option titled Marketing Integrations. This is where all your external marketing and analytics tools are linked and managed. It's a crucial step because it's where you'll make the connection with Google Tag Manager. Upon entering Marketing Integrations, you'll be presented with several third-party tool options you can connect to your Wix site. Among these options, find the Google Tag Manager and click on Connect. If you're doing this for the first time, it might also be helpful to briefly explore other available integrations to see what else you can optimize. Once you select Google Tag Manager, you will be prompted to enter your Google Tag Manager ID. This ID is a unique identifier that tells Wix which Google Tag Manager account it should connect to. To find this ID, head over to your Google Tag Manager account. It's usually shown at the top right corner of the interface, so it shouldn't be hard to locate. Ensure you copy it exactly as it appears to avoid any errors in linking the accounts. After you've entered the correct Google Tag Manager ID, the final step is to click Save or Apply. This action finalizes the connection between your Wix site and Google Tag Manager. Once saved, you should double check that the changes have taken effect by going back to review the settings or even performing a test tag to confirm everything is functioning correctly. And there you have it, the complete process of adding Google Tag Manager to your Wix website. With this connection, you'll be able to smoothly manage your marketing tags and analytics tracking with ease, providing better insights and more control over your site's performance. Remember, administering your analytics wisely can greatly enhance your marketing strategies, making life that much easier and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.